Hi guys, today I'm making butter biscuits. But first, I'd like to mention the store that I found in the south of Johannesburg in Lenasia Extension 5 called Quality Pack. They sell baking supplies and packaging, and they have a huge variety of ingredients, equipment, and cake decorations. I saw some beautiful gift boxes, and she also has some amazing cake toppers that I haven't been able to find anywhere else. And those cake toppers can be custom made as well. Other than being well stocked and inexpensive, the owner is an absolute gem who will go above and beyond to help you. I actually met her because she helped me with a cake dome at 7 o'clock in the evening. If you know where it is or if you're in the area, make sure to visit them. To make the biscuits, in a bowl, add in your softened butter, icing sugar, corn flour, and baking powder. Use a whisk or spatula and mix well till it becomes smooth and creamy. Add in the flour a little at a time and mix well after each addition. Add in the flour gradually, and I find it's best to mix this by hand because I can immediately feel when the dough is ready. You're looking for a soft, buttery dough that is not sticky. From here, this dough can be used as a base for any cut or piped biscuit. I'm using a 10-star tip. Add in some dough, and with constant pressure, pipe out your finger biscuits. You could also use a 5-star tip and pipe 3 small stars very close together. You could leave it as is or add on a little bit of sweets. The dough can also be rolled out to about 1/2 centimeter in thickness. And then cut it using your choice of cutter. Place the shaped biscuits onto a greased baking tray. Then add on any optional decorations. I'm using these colored almonds. Bake at 180 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes or until golden brown, then allow them to cool. Transfer them onto a piece of baking paper to cool completely. Dip the finger biscuits into some melted chocolate. Allow the chocolate to set, and they're ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!